Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing the blocked pages list on Facebook using your PC. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Locate and click on your profile picture situated in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down and click on Blocking. Step 7. Look for Block Pages and click on the Edit button next to it. Step 8. Finally, click on See Your Blocked List. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to effortlessly access and manage your blocked pages on Facebook. Take control of your browsing experience and ensure it aligns with your preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.